This is a review of the Spark Catch Light Up Baseball. Now, before we take it outside and throw it around and see how it works in the dark, I wanted to show you some of the features, and the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out. Now, the cool thing about this is the official size and weight of a regular baseball. You can see the nice stitching over here. You can see it's made out of this genuine leather like a regular baseball. But the cool thing about it is it lights up as soon as it has impact with either the ground or your glove. So let's see how that goes. There you go. You can see that beautiful green light lights up nice and bright here. Now let's take it outside and see how it works in the dark. You can see throwing it around, it lights up and does a nice little streak in the sky. It's easy to change the battery. You simply unscrew over here, the little battery comes out, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants to play catch in the dark or just have a little spark in their life.